Welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, you are going to learn about the skills required to become a product manager. Let us see few key responsibilities of the product manager. Gather the business problems and generate ideas based on the user needs. Build the backlog of requirements based on the customer requirement. Validate the ideas to have a value in the market. Define the product scope and vision. Work with the development team to build the right product for the customers. Plan and implement the product launch and conduct marketing activities. Engage with the customers to deliver and validate the solutions. Collect the user feedback and improve the product to meet the needs. I'm going to explain 12 key skills which you need to develop to become a successful product manager. The first skill needed for the product manager is the ability to understand the customer journey. Your ultimate goal is to make the product for the end users and look at the product through the eyes of the end users. Product managers should have the skills to understand the customer's pain point and the challenges. Product managers should gain good knowledge about the current market and future demand in the industry you are working on. It's good to have a better understanding about the market research techniques, trend spotting, strategic thinking, and go-to-market analysis. The third skill needed for the product manager is gain the strong domain knowledge for the product area. This includes the application of the product, value creation of the product, and regulatory complaints related to the domain. Having a basic understanding about the software development practices, project management practices, and agile way of working are essential skills for the product manager in the competitive market. Product managers should know how to prioritize the user stories and features and maximize the value or return on investment for the organization. Product manager is expected to have a good decision making and communication skill. Data-driven decision is the key to build a right product for the customer at the right time. Product managers should also have a basic knowledge about the technologies in which the products are developed, so that there will be a better alignment with the development team to understand the solution, advantages, and the limitation of the technology. Another skill needed for the product manager is storytelling. This skill is needed to understand the customer needs, articulating the customer's need to the development team, and articulating the solution or product to the end users. Product managers should know how to create and communicate the product vision, product strategy, and the roadmap. Stakeholder management is another key skill needed for the product manager. This skill will help to closely work with the development team, customers, sales, and marketing teams. Having a good understanding about budgeting, value proposition, and financial management will help the product manager to play the role effectively. Marketing and sales skills are expected from the product manager to sell the ideas, influence the target group, manage price, promotions, and sales forecast. Having good knowledge about the marketing strategy also an advantage for the product manager. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Thank you.